Hi everybody, today we try to install Zaproxy and use it on a vulnerability machine called Metasploit. Firstly, we try to install it with terminal. As you can see, let's try it. Command called sudo apt install Zaproxy. Okay. As you can see, we have some problems. We see that Kali can't install and show the link. Okay, this is the link. Let's copy it. Open. I opened already. Okay. Okay, let's delete it and download this version, Zaproxy. After download, we go to downloads and write dpkg -i Zaproxy. I click on top. Oh, sorry. Perfectly, it started installing, and let's write zap. It take a time because it is installed. Okay. After installation, we can try Zap to find some vulnerabilities in our machine. How to install Metasploit, I explained another video which you can see, and I write if config and I have an IP. Okay, let's write okay. Let's try utility. Perfectly. I copy this, open. And click to attack. This is a small video introduction. In the future we investigate more deeply. If you find this information more interesting, please click on like and don't remember to subscribe to my channel. For the future I will explain what does it mean, how we can find some vulnerabilities in our machine. Okay, see you later and try to learn.